Would you like to speed up your manifestations and attract anything that you want faster? Well, you gotta learn this one thing. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into the video. So, did you know that anything that you want is 100% absolutely no doubt about it possible? Because you wouldn't have the desire unless it was possible. All desire, the word desire literally means of the Father. Of the Father, Father in throughout history has been a word used to describe creator of the universe, God, or whatever it is. And so what is important to grasp is desire is literally the universe speaking through you. You are literally an individualization of God, of the universe. And the universe, God, has created you, has created me to experience life in the many different forms. So when you get a desire, what it really is a divine inspiration of God, of the universe, wanting to express that desire through you, to drive that convertible, or to have that career choice, or to start that nonprofit, or to go build your own yoga studio, or whatever it is. What it is God or the universe speaking through you because it wants to express that possibility. It's of the Father, it's of the Spirit. Your desire in and of itself is not only totally holy and divine, it wouldn't be possible unless you had the desire first. The fact that you have the desire literally means that it's possible. Just like you always have a north and a south side of a magnet, you always have a desire and the fulfillment. We live in a world of polarity. There's an equal and an opposite. Literally, the fact that you have the true inspired desire, the true inspired desire for something, means that it's possible. Now, we don't grasp this because we've been conditioned by our world that we should feel guilty, shameful, desire is somehow bad, enjoy your meek little life and be grateful for whatever you get, and if you want too much, you're greedy, and da-da-da-da-da, and we're not smart enough, and this and that. It's not true. It's not true at all. But what happens is we start to believe those things and we forget that desire means of the Father and that you are an individualization of God, of the universe. So any desire through you is a divinely inspired idea, is a divinely inspired possibility that needs to be expressed. But what happens is the mind gets in the way. And then the mind says, yeah, is that even possible? So we stay in this vibrational limbo where we can't use the law of attraction to create what we want because we're in a place where we aren't even sure whether it's possible. All of your desires are possible. All of your dreams are possible. You literally wouldn't have them unless they were possible. The universe is perfect. It makes no mistakes. It wouldn't be speaking through you right now for that desire that you have unless it was possible. Because it's the universe, it's God speaking through you because it desires the fulfillment of this experience. And what happens is most people slow the manifestation process if they even create what they want at all because they're in a half in, half out stance. One foot's in, yeah, this would be cool, but the other foot's like, I don't think it's possible, and you're not good enough, and you're not smart enough, you're not this, and you should enjoy the little lot that you have in life, and don't be too greedy, and don't do this, and don't do that, and da-da-da, and this isn't possible, and and you might fail at this. That's the mind. That mind that thinks that way is literally a conditioned mind from our society, and that's why I always talk about my success hypnosis, and you can download it down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's free. Train your mind to not think that way. But when you take a step back, you recognize that you are a mind, but you're also a spiritual being. And your spirit is literally of creation, is of God, is of the universe. So all desire that comes through you is in and of itself holy, a desire of the Father. So remember this. Remember that you live in a polarity world. You cannot have a north side of a magnet without a south side. You can't have a desire without the fulfillment of that desire already being 100% possible. So comment down below, all my desires are possible. All my desires are possible down below. And remember, you live in a polarity world, a world of equal and opposites. Your desire is possible. You are an individualization of God. You're holy, you're worthy, you're deserving, and all the desires coming through you are God or the universe seeking expression for you to experience the fullness of life. And when you grasp that, things show up because there's no longer resistance. There's no longer a resistance, and things start to move and show up in your life. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com reminding you, you're whole, you're worthy, you're deserving of everything that you desire. You're an individualization of God, of the universe, and all desire is of the Father. Desire of the Father. It's the universe. It's God speaking through you. We live in a world of polarity. So if you have a desire, it already means that that desire can and will be fulfilled if you continue to believe in it and take inspired action forward. Have a beautiful day. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com down below. Make sure you check out The Second Mind. It's our software we designed to rewire the brain so all of those weird negative thought patterns that have been conditioned by our society and hardwired into our brain are eliminated and rewired. And it's free. You can demo it, thesecondmind.com down below. And make sure you like this video to support this channel. Hashtag best life ever down below if you watch this video all the way through. I appreciate you. I love you. Have a beautiful day. And make sure that you remember, we live in a world of polarity. You wouldn't have the desire unless it was possible.